Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a while and I'm sorry about that. Balancing time now that I have my son is a little bit challenging, but I am working on that. So, as for the title of the video, today we are going to be doing some stocking stuffers from Dollar Tree. They're quick and easy and just simple, so let's get started. So what you're going to need from Dollar Tree is just any ribbon. I got this clear tray from there. I don't know if you'll be able to find it at your Dollar Tree, but definitely look for that. That's really cute. This gift card holder, some peppermint candy canes, just some clear cups, and then just some bags, some clear bags. Now, that was all from Dollar Tree. What I did get from Dollar Tree is just this pink ribbon. I already had this pink ribbon. You can get some washcloths from Ross or Marshall's or Walmart, just whatever is cheaper, so you can get those. Just some tape and some scissors. And then these are really nice. They're from Pink Printing. And you can just stick these on to the stocking stuffers. So for their charcoal mask, the lump of coal, you're going to need the charcoal mask, the mask applicator, the sticker from Pink and Printing, just a candy cane, the washcloth, tape, scissors, a clear bag to put it in, and then some ribbon and a cup. You're going to start off with the washcloth and then just fold it into a triangle. And then just go ahead and just roll it around. Like that. Sorry about that. My son is getting super tired. So it's going to fit into the cup as that. You can go ahead and put it in the clear bag and then just tie it up at the top. Just with one of these. You can add the sticker on there. And then you can just stick it on a little more this way as well, if you wish. Now with the ribbon, what I like to do is I like to just put it together like this. And then probably pass it around like four times. Like that. And then cut it at the end. The reason why is because once we tie it in the middle like that, we can frill the edges with some scissors. We're now going to do the Darling You're the Bomb with the satin lips. You're going to grab the gift card holder and we're just going to open it up. And this was really easy. It takes you not even 5 minutes. I'm just going to open these up. And then you're going to put the back or the top in the back, just like that. And then this came wrapped around it, so I'm just going to use that and put it back in there, just so it can hold the satin lips in place. Just like that. And then we're going to put it inside the plastic bag. Once you put it inside the bag, just tie it up at the top. And then we're going to do the same thing as the charcoal mask and with the ribbon. For the Mint Bliss lotion, you guys already know that the socks is free with the purchase. So what we're going to need with that is those two, a clear plastic bag, some ribbon, and then a clear cup. We're going to start with the end and we're going to roll it like this. Sorry, you can hear my son in the back. And that's how it's going to end up, and you just put it straight into the cup. And you want to kind of make a hole in the middle so you can put the lotion inside. Once you have the lotion inside there, you can go ahead and put it inside the bag. And then we're going to tie it at the top with some ribbon. For the Merry Christmas, you are going to need the lip gloss, any lip gloss, the cute tray, some clear bags, a ribbon, and some scissors. I forgot to mention that you are going to need some tape, just so you can tape the back of the box, and you can just put it in there so it doesn't fall off. And you can also tape the side of the lipstick, so you can put it right next to it right here. And then you're going to put it inside the bag. Once you have it inside the bag, you can grab the Merry Christmas sticker, and I'm just going to put it right in the corner, just like that. And then I'm going to grab the ribbon, and I'm going to do the same step as the other ones. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Say hi! He got impatient as soon as I was finished, so that was good. That was good. Bye, guys.